My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a Pilates workout for strength and flexibility. Whether you are a beginner or experienced, this is perfect for you. Remember, movement is medicine. All right, click that thumbs up button and let's begin. The random question today, let us know when you're done, is are you a night owl or do you like to get up early? Let us know in the comments below. Where am I going? Okay, we're gonna come down here first. We do a cap switch. Very sunny today in almost at Florida, in Tennessee. Always use control, modify as needed, beginning with the Pilates 100. Always breathe in the nose, out the mouth. Practice that. Always take the legs out, feet together. Zip up the legs, arms to the sides. We're gonna pump the arms up and down 100 times, breathing in for 5 counts, exhaling for 5 counts. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is delicious. Shoulders back and down. Your lower back is down. The abs are squeezing and singing. Now bring the head down. Feet underneath the knees for a bridge chest lift series. Arms to the sides. We're going to inhale, lift up into the bridge. Massage that spine back down. Legs up. 3 crunches. 1, 2, lifting the chest. 3. We're going to do 6 more. Inhale up. Oh, big stretch. Massage that spine back down. Here's 1. Here's 2. Massage, peeling the spine off, massaging it back down. 3. Can lift higher if you like, pressing into the elbows, working the glutes, the quads, the back. Just spit on myself. And 3 more. Pilates, where you could spit on yourself. Big stretch in the back, in the spine. Massage down. I'm going to switch the ankles. How about that? 2 more. Smooth and controlled. Always tilt that pelvis up, lifting. Oh. Movement is medicine, my friends. I am in my 50s now. I want that movement. Give me that movement. Youth in my body. Keep it elastic. Keep it pliable. Keep it strong. Nice ribs. Lower down. Massage, massage. Let's do 5 chest lifts. Here we go. 1, 2. Lift that tailbone up as you crunch. 3, 4. Oh, that's the good stuff. 5. Windshield wipers. Head down, arms out or bent. Back and forth. You could extend the top leg if you wish. Keep those sides loose. Keep the rotation happening. Always loose, always strong, right? 1 more time, each side. And then make your way up to a seated position. You could roll up or come onto your side and press up. Okay, we're in a field by ourselves. A man out sitting in his field. Take the heels to the edges of the mat or wider, depending on how flexible you are. Shoulders back and down. Let's eat some flexibility. Spine stretch. Exhale, hinge forward. Straight ahead. Tuck your chin slightly. The crown of the head reaches forward. You press the backs of the knees down. Now inhale, reverse. Stack that spine. 1 vertebrae at a time. Like there's a wall right behind you. I don't know how I did with that one. Let's do it 4 more times. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. You can take the arms up over the head too if you like. Squeeze the breath out. 2 more times, no rush. Feel every movement of the exercise. Long, lean muscles. Draw those toes towards you. Oh my goodness, that works. Good, lift, lift, lift. Once more. Big stretch. Good times. All right, bring the feet flat. Shoulders back and down, then arms to the sides, or feet off the mat into a half boat. Hold it here, or bicycle 10 times forward. 1, 2, where'd that come from? 3, you never know. 4, 5, lots of surprises. 6, or 5, 6, there's a surprise. 7, 8, we got 9, we have 10. Let's go backwards. Backwards, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, shake it out. How's that feel? Big shake out. Keep the arms and legs nice and loose. Let's roll down onto our backs for double leg stretch 10 times. Classic Pilates tabletop position. Arms to the sides. You're going to inhale, reach the arms and legs out. Circle around, grab those things, pull them in for an extra stretch into your lower back. Here's 2. My tucked in. And 3. Keep your lower back imprinted. In the nose, out the mouth. 4. 5. Long extension. 6. 7. Flowing through those movements, my friends. 8. Inhale. Exhale. Lower the legs come, the more challenging, of course. One more time. All right, bring it in. Hug those knees in or extend out. Hollow back hold. 5 breaths. Oh, ooh. Ooh, ah. Turns you into Al Pacino. Ooh, ah. Okay. Ooh. Hollow back hold. Okay, bring it in. Oh, and rock it side to side. Luckily, I didn't start quoting Glengarry Glen Ross right there. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes. Keep that breath flowing in the nose, out the mouth. Lots of breathing. Fill the lungs, empty the lungs, squeeze out the lungs. And let's finish off our odyssey down here with crisscross 20 times. Leg out, right angled, 90 degrees. Lift the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slow it down. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more times. Like you're moving through peanut butter, add more resistance. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, rolling back up. Oh, leg kicks. Position your hands under your shoulders. You can have the hands forward, out to the side, or reaching back. Which one feels the best for you as I mess with my strings? What was he doing? String issue. Lift up. Hold this if you like. This is a reverse plank, very powerful. Or add 10 leg kicks. You're going to inhale, kick, exhale down. Here's what it looks like, keeping the posture the best you can. I know I'm drooping a bit. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sound like Sylvester the Cat. 6, 7, 8, 9. Kick, lift. Ooh, big lift. So engage the core, the lower back, hips, glutes, abdominals, and then lower down into the saw. Heels to the edges or wider, depending on your flexibility. Powerful core rotation. Arms out, twist to the right. Exhale, hinge, pinky finger, pinky toe, look to the back arm. Inhale, tall, twist, and keep it going. Someone remarked the other day on a video where I was doing the saw that I look like a robot. Said, Coach Vigue, you're a robot. And yeah, it's very precise. Like, beware the future. It's right here. Robot. Have to tell that to my son. He'll get a kick out of that. We've been studying classic Star Wars, which is the only way to go. Let's do 2 more times each side. Rotation, stretching the backs of the legs, working that core. Whoops. There. And whoops. Let's do it again without the whoops. One more time, my friends. Twist. There's that life-giving twist. Back up. One more time. Reverse plank, or add the 10 kicks if you like. Go for it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh man. And lift. Hold right there. Strength, posture, everything coming together. Keep that core strong. Keep your center strong to support everything else. And then lower down. Ooh, shake it out. What's this? Okay. We're going to come over onto our stomachs for a little swim. Switching the cap. All right. Lower down. Stretch out the arms. Stretch out the whole body. You're very loose. When you're ready, begin the swim. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale up, exhale down. Just keep going. Working opposites. Contralateral. Contralateral. I have a hard time saying that word. We'll get it better next time. Or you could speed it up. Breathe in, breathe out. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull the arms back. Hold here. 5 breaths. Lifting the arms, lifting the feet. And we're going to do 10 pulses after those 5. Is that 5 breaths? All right, lower down with the exhale. Inhale, lift. 10 times. 1, 2, 3. There's 4, 5. Sculpting the back. 6, 7. Beautiful. 8. What was that? All right, 9. Sound like a dog. 10. We're up, we're up, we're up. Now press it back. Child's pose. Always check your surroundings. You never know. Press it back. Sway side to side. Keep that spine loose. And we're going to finish with a little forearm plank action here. Option, alternating leg lifts. Sorry, got some allergies I'm getting over. So here's the plank. If you want more, lift 20 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stabilize the center. 8. I don't know if I'm a little sloppy here. Let me adjust. All right, 10 more times. 1, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Build that strong, adaptable body. Hold the plank for 5 breaths. Squeeze those abs on the exhales. Pressing away, press the ground away, activating the shoulders. All right, bring it down. Beautiful work, my friends. Stretch it back, child's pose. How does that feel? Oh, if this workout helped, if you love this Pilates, click that thumbs up button right now. Don't wait. And the subscribe button right next to it. I appreciate that. And there's always the notification bell up there to press to never miss one of my workouts. Pilates with Coach Vigue. And remember, let us know in the comments below, do you prefer to stay up late at night or get up early in the morning? I'm a night owl. I stay up till midnight, 1 o'clock. If I was single by myself, I would be up till 4 or 5 a.m. every night, writing, working, watching Mystery Science Theater. It's when I do my best work. My brain is clear. All is quiet. All I hear is the furnace kicking on and off, and my own voice as I talk to myself. Okay, thanks for listening to that. It's me, Coach Vigue, the Mike Rowe of fitness, also Vogue, but with an I. And while I got you here, don't go anywhere. You gotta check this out. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, You need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.